The CEO of Shiba Inu coin, my friend, were personally tweet now to in upcoming time, my friends. Shiba Inu price were more pumps up. Yes, definitely in the 1st November, something very special and something very huge event is coming soon. So the Shiba Inu token, my friend, this time price is totally pricing moving upward. And my friend, experts says to Shiba Inu were changed and to from token to coin. So definitely it's they will make a blockchain, my friend. So 100% try to understand, my friend. Shiba Inu will completely, and my friends, go to the moon and they will make a new record in the crypto market. Definitely, because my friend, absolutely, when my friend PancakeSwap will make a blockchain, so definitely, my friends, they will also completely go to the moon. So when my friend, I check the result of PancakeSwap, 100% if Shiba Inu is doing like that, they will make a blockchain. There is a plan, my friends, so they will make a blockchain. Otherwise, my friend, absolutely, in November there is also chances, my friend. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, so they will make a personal blockchain. So I hope, my friends, so they will make you millionaire. The very huge update for all Shiba Inu token is that, my friends, true, the blockchain will, my friends, make you millionaire. And people are, the community of Shiba Inu will be more increasing because people are starting more and more trusting on Shiba. So therefore people are starting investing, holding, and definitely, my friend, they are sharing this community. So my friend, definitely in upcoming time, the very huge explosions and the very huge pumps is coming soon, because my friend, all and every month Shiba Inu will take a very huge jump. So therefore I am 100% sure to in upcoming time the Shiba Inu price will more and more increase now. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and absolutely get 100% profit, because Shiba Inu will make you a millionaire. Thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video, and yes, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Please subscribe it. All right, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.